Next, let's talk about models, because this is something beginners don't really understand too well. Not all models are the same. Some are faster and cheaper, some are slower and smarter. So if you're using something like a small task, make sure to use a cheaper model. If you're doing something more complex, you can always switch to a more advanced model. If you're building complex skills like analyzing data, doing research, or making decisions, you're gonna want a stronger model because it can actually think better. The big takeaway here is if the results suck with OpenClaw, it's not necessarily OpenClaw, but it's the model that you're using. So that's something to really consider when you're using OpenClaw. So always match the model with the task and you'll usually get better results. So let me go ahead and show you these models. Now, let's say you want to add your own AI agent. Let me show you how to do that. Here under the assistant message, I'll just type a message. I want to add ChatGPT AI agents to OpenClaw. Can I give you the API? Here, I'll press enter. Cool, so now you'll see it's basically saying, okay, paste in your API key. Now, when sending messages, I always recommend to just ask it to give the API. If you don't, it'll be like, yeah, sure, you can do that, but it may not ask you for the API directly. So now we're giving it kind of a command. Now I'm gonna go over here to OpenAI and just paste in my key. So for example, API keys, I'll create a new secret key. I'll create one called OpenClaw and then click on create secret key. And then I'll just paste this into OpenClaw. Next, I'll press enter. And then you'll see it added in the new AI agent. Now, when doing this, sometimes you'll have to relog out of OpenClaw or refresh the page in order for those changes to apply. So I'll refresh the page. Okay, after that, I ran a second command. I put, can you activate it in the AI agent section so I can select it? Now, after that was done, you'll see it restarted OpenClaw and now it's available in the agent section. So let's take a look. Over here, I'll click on agents. And for the primary model, ChatGPT should now be available. Now you'll see that we have ChatGPT 4, ChatGPT 4 mini, and then Open 03, which is just another model. So this is how you can add more agents to OpenClaw.